Hello friends, welcome back on the Nested Mango channel, and today we are going to learn how to place any ratings on your games. Suppose you have making your game and you want to push one button that when someone will click on that button, so he will or she will be on your Play Store game, that game. So it's a very simple, we will learn how we can do it. So first of all I want to show you that this is my UI, and this is simply, if you run it, so what it will does that it is replay button and it is please rate us. So when someone will click on this button, so what will happen that whenever I have placed this application on the Play Store, it will open and then anyone can easily give us rating. So how we can do it? And there is so many questions that if we have not placed this application on the Play Store, so how it is possible to get how to pass the link. So it's a very simple that suppose I have my one game Color Revenge, and on this game you want to provide this link, and you still have not placed this application on the Play Store. So it's a very simple, just copy the link, any your game link. So I'm doing same, copy, and then you can place like I've already told you that this is your UI, and for this UI I have this is my about us. It is not okay, it is. So here please rate us. So this is our button, and what I have done here is that I have to pass here reference of this, because I have written my script on the game over button. So simply what I am doing that I'm passing this reference, and then I can place the whatever I have written the method. So this is rate on Play Store. So what is this script? Let me show you. This is my script. Okay, rate on Play Store. So it's simply that I have copied my link. So let's copy here, and you can see in all the games till here all the link will be same. So what you have to change, you have to change just your package name or ID name. So you know very well where is your package name. This is my method I am passing. You know very well on click method we have to pass one method. So I am passing the simply one method, and this is one link. So you know very well my game have package name. So just you can go on the file and build setting, and you can say player setting, and there you can go on the other setting. Okay, so this is my other setting, and here is my package name. So just copy this package name and just paste here. From where? From this is ID, so you can pass your game ID. When you will place this app on the Play Store, so this will be your link for this application. So this is my link, and when you will click, or when someone will click, when you will place on the Play Store, so when someone will click, so it will open your game URL, your game URL, so someone can give you ratings. So this is my tutorial. I think you enjoy this tutorial, you learned something, and this is my game. So if you want to give me any review on my game, so you can play my game and you can give me any review. So thank you so much for watching, and my request is that if you are visiting my channel first time, so please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So thank you so much, have a good day.